Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create a 3D logo design. For that, first of all, I'll select an ellipse tool, hold Control and draw a circle like this. I'll change the size of this to 100 mm from here. 100 mm. I kept the lock ratio active here, so no need to enter the value in the height column. I'll press enter key, it will automatically change the height also. Then I'll create a copy of this. I press plus key from keyboard here. Then I'll change the size of this to 60 mm. Again I'll create a copy. Change the size of this to 105 mm. Now I'll select all the circles. Select this quadrant. Select this quadrant. Hold Control to maintain an alignment and drag and drop it here. Press right click to create a copy. Then I'll select both these circles, hold this quadrant, drag it, press Ctrl to maintain an alignment and drop it here and press right click to create a copy here. Select all these circles, group it and then select a 3-point curve tool from here and draw a curve like this from here to here. Click here, hold Control and adjust this curve. You'll get a half circle here if you press Control key and click it. Now I'll select Smart Fill tool from here. Smart Fill tool. Select the color from here, whichever you like. Then fill color here and select this curve. Single click. Place this center point at the center of this object and rotate it to 90 degree. Hold Control and rotate it to 90 degree. Then press right click to create a copy and press Ctrl R to repeat this step. Now I'll select Smart Fill tool here. Fill color here, here and here. Now you select this object, hold shift and select this object and click on weld here. Now I'll change the color of this using interactive fill tool. Just drag it like this. Already red is here. I'll change this color to black. Just adjust it like this. Now I'll give yellow color to this object and select both the objects, group it. Now I'll delete this group, delete all these curves. Select this object now, remove outline from here. Just right click on this cross mark on this color palette and single click and place this center point at the center of this object and rotate to 90 degree. Just press Ctrl key and rotate to 90 degree. Press right click to create a copy, then press Ctrl R to repeat this step. Now we don't require this object, I'll delete it. Select all these objects and group. See, our logo is ready now. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.